Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mitsuko. So today I will show you how I did this look. It's all about the skin, glowy, bronzy, and it's perfect for the summer because it's right around the corner. So keep watching to know the details. So I usually start with my eyes, but I have no idea what I want to do yet, but I know this is going to be all about the skin. So I will start with my primer with the Milk Hydro Grip. This primer is very hydrating. If you have dry skin, you should definitely give this a try. So 2 pumps. I think I'll go with something very simple for the eyes, but I don't know what yet. So skin it is. I want my skin to be glowy and bronze, so I'll use the NARS Natural Radiant in Macau, and then I'll mix that with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This, mixing the two together, beautiful. Just make sure that if you're doing this, that you're not using a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter that has glitter. You want something that has more like a shimmer. So if I blend this onto my skin, you will see the glow, but you won't see like the glitter, right? So that's why I like this. I put too much. So I'll just use half a pump. Mix all of it. Okay, then I'll just blend everything. Okay, so you can obviously see the glow, but it's not too much. What I like to do after that is conceal and highlight. So I will use the Too Faced Born This Way in Chestnut. The NARS Soft Matte Complete in Praline. And then I'll just warm it up first. Okay, and then I'll put that right there. And then I'll use a beauty blender and then start with my forehead. I want my under eye to be a little bit brighter, so I'll go back in with Praline and then put a little bit more. Again, sponge. And then I want that to stay right here. I've been meaning to try the Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer in Deep. Take a little bit, and I'll just put it right here. They're really pretty. I think for this, a little goes a long way. a little bit more on the brush directly. Super nice. It's really nice. And I'll keep blending it, but I want to put a little bit more on my forehead. I want to put a little bit on here, just a little bit. Going to set my under eyes with the translucent. I'll use coconutty to just set that. And then I'll remove the excess. Again, coconutty. So I'll add the Danessa Myrek Vision Flush in Sweet Nectar. And I want a little bit of this, so I'll put it on the back of my hand first. This much. And then I will stipple that. Just like a hint of blush. And I'll put it right here. See, I don't want too much. Just a little bit right here. Okay. Add a little bit more on this side. And the cool thing about the Vision Flush, you can use it as a lipstick, a blush, and eyeshadow. So these are multi-purpose, and they are pretty dope. Okay, and I want a little bit on my nose. Just here. Okay, looking very bronzed. So blush is done, and I like how my face looks like. So I'm going to do my brows first. So I'm going to use the brow blade and it's in dark drapes. I'm happy with my complexion, so I'll set that with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I want something very subtle for the eyes. I'm going to use Serve from the Violet Voss palette. Okay, and then I'll go in with WCW, and then I'll put that right here. I'll use an angle brush and then take Snatched. Edges, and edges is very pigmented, so a little bit here on the outer part. I'll use the Tom Ford eye kohl in metallic mink. Just want like the tiniest wing, not a big one. Okay, so lashes are on. I'm just going to add a dot here for one that I have there. I think that's it. Just keep it simple. I'll use the bow and arrow from Kat Von D. Then I'll use Noble. And I'll line my lips. And this is Chestnut from MAC. Okay, I think the lips are too cool, so I'll use the Taffy Tees from Fenty Beauty. So that's it. That's the final look. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, it was pretty quick. I mean, it's all about the skin and it's glowy, bronzy, and I love that. So don't forget to let me know what you think down below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.